And here we go for the install of Statcounter. This is statcounter.com. It's my preferred statistics analyzer. I like a lot about it, as you'll hear in any of my stats webinars. So if you are new to Statcounter, then you'll click the green button here at statcounter.com to sign up now and start an account. And then put in the username, whatever username you want to put in there. As long as it's available, you can use it. And then you'll enter an email address. I would recommend doing something that's related to your website. And then you'll enter your name. And you'll create a password. And accept the terms. Create account. Now it's going to ask you for a project URL. You'll enter the URL with http:// you don't need W's. And put in your domain. It'll automatically put that as the project title. Then you can choose your time zone in here. Change that if you want to. Then you can go over here, and I would suggest doing invisible tracking. We don't need it on the site or anything like that. And you can choose whether or not you want to have email reports. I generally say none on that. I don't need another email coming in. I can come to this site and check it anytime. And then add the project. Once you click Add Project, it gives you all of these options for installation guides of how to install it. Well, we're going to just go over here and click Default Installation Guide. It's a lot easier than trying to figure out all those other things. It's not complicated. You just click in here, it'll highlight the whole code, and we copy the code. Okay, so once we have copied that code, then we go to our website, to the design file editor, and we're going to edit the template.html file. It'll be called something different based on whatever template you have. And we want to put it right here just after the header tag or the head tag. So we just enter down and paste that right there, and that code is entered in there for us. And that's where you would put any of the other code. I think the default guide actually says to put it just before the end of the body tag, but this works just as well as long as it's within the body. Google generally says put it in the header, and you could put it down here, the body tag, if you wanted to. But it shouldn't make any difference where we put that. And that puts the code in there. And I did remove it from here and put it down below. And then we just click Save. And that's it. It'll now start tracking visits to the site. So we can go down here and click Check Installation, and it's going to tell us, yep, code's detected, it's in there where we need it. And so now you've got a Statcounter account.